Well, hello students. I'm in my actual classroom. I teach actual face-to-face students here just south of Denver in my classroom. And we're thankful to one of our students who's gracious enough to allow us to use his art studio. Teacher, it's okay to make a mistake in English class. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about virtual field trips. Virtual field trips are a way that you can take your class anywhere. I've taken my classes, and those of you who are with me in China, you know that. We were told we could only teach in our classrooms. It was not good to take them out in the hallway because it disturbs the other classes. And out on the lawn, no. We had to teach in our classrooms. Anyway, so I came up with an idea in 2019. I called it virtual field trips. So what's a virtual field trip and how does that affect you students, teachers, coaches, anyone who's interested in our class? I want to welcome all of you to the class today. Yeah, I'm in my actual classroom. This is nice because I had my other classroom over in China, and yes, classroom 3018 up on the third floor at the university. So it's so neat to be here. And this classroom's on the third floor, so there seems to be something consistent there. Anyway, virtual field trip. You can go anywhere you want. We've gone to Mars. Our class that I just taught last Thursday, they went to the moon. We broke the class into two groups. One group, we had a different teacher, took the group across the hall to the other classroom. They went to the moon. Our group, we sailed around the world and we stopped in different countries. And we listed first thing, what? What do you want to bring on the trip? And we listed items. People said credit cards, passports, food, clothes, suitcases, backpacks. Sorry, too slow. Slow down. Okay. What to bring? You could bring a suitcase. You could bring money, a backpack. You could bring your pet. You could bring games. You could bring your phone, which can be used as a camera. There are different things that different students would offer to bring along. Water, food, and I may say some of these a couple times. Money, credit cards, things that you would need if you're on a spaceship going to the moon or a cruise ship sailing around the world. We stopped in different places and it was a fun activity for the class. They really liked it. So, what are you going to do? So, what to bring? What to do? Sorry, teacher's handwriting is horrible. So, what are you going to bring? What are you going to do on the rocket ship on your way to the moon? Listen to music, play games, do video calls with your family, play with your pet. On the cruise ship, you can use the ship's entertainment. You can take shore excursions when you're on land. And I'm also going to show this to someone I know who is involved in taking cruises. Maybe if we're lucky, I'll get her as a guest speaker to the class. Cross our fingers. That's an English idiom. Cross your fingers. You do that for good luck. And now, once you arrive, now on the cruise ship, it was constantly moving. We're going to different places. What are you going to do once you get to the moon? So they told us what they would do while on the moon. while on the moon. They went hiking, they took pictures, they collected rocks, they did a variety of things. They were able to have fun while they were on the moon. We had fun on the cruise ship, my group of students. So there are different things that you can do on a virtual field trip. And we just had a lot of fun with it. It was really enjoyable. So I want to know, this is your turn. I'm going to erase the board. I want to know where, sorry, I'm going to do what we're looking at. Okay. I'm going to ask, I just erased the board. Where do you want to go on your virtual field trip? If you're the principal or administrator of a school, where do you want to take your students? You don't have to take buses. You can leave the students at the school. You don't need when we had field trips, it was a big undertaking. It's very involved. It's very time consuming. It can be very expensive. I talked with a couple principals when I was at COTESL about offering virtual field trips to their school. Right now, there's a lot of schools, shortage of bus drivers, shortage of funds. This is an effective way. What you can do is you get a big whiteboard in the front, you project onto the whiteboard places they might want to go. Okay, they can go to the zoo. All right. And some of the zoos and some of the museums have online, they're online. And you can get videos, you can get other things that you can show the students how they can enjoy a virtual field trip. And they'll have a lot of fun. Students, you can list items and you can put them in the comments. What did you want to take? What do, see, it's okay to make a mistake. What do you want to do when you go on your virtual field trip? Where are you going to go? What are you going to do? How are you going to get there? These are all questions that you can write in the comments. So tell me, what words can you use? What vocabulary words can you use? Teachers, help your students with this. They can use all the things they are packing can become vocabulary words. I'm having trouble talking today, but it's just me. It's what I normally do. Anyway, this is something that they can really enjoy doing. They can have a lot of fun. All right. Well, anyway, I don't think I properly introduced our class. A lot of you, I'm saving the best for last. I'm Teacher Dale. I have a YouTube channel. This is my basic channel. We're working on an advanced channel, and we like to share ideas and teach a lesson. Today's lessons on virtual field trips, and I like doing videos in different locations. Anyway, everyone can participate in our class. No one is left out. It's okay to make a mistake. Anyway, I am about ready to say goodbye and end the class. Please leave us a comment. Please like the video. Please share, and of course, subscribe, become a member of our class. If you're a teacher, a coach, an administrator, even just a person in the community, we're here to help everyone to learn English, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. Anyway, it's time to say goodbye. I've enjoyed our class. Goodbye.